everyone. Today we're going to be racing the McLaren Elva versus the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. Let's open them up. So let's open up the Shelby Cobra first. It looks like this is from 2005, as you can see there. So this is really cool, and it's also very heavy. Okay, opened up just like that, and this is actually really nice. I think the hood opens up. Oh, it does. You push the front down, and you can't really see inside there, but that is really cool. Again, very heavy. Rolls smoothly. Yes, this is nice. McLaren Elva. This is the third McLaren Elva I have, so I have all three colors now. As you can see here, we have black, blue, and gold. Okay, let's race these. In lane 2, we have the Shelby Cobra, and in lane 5, the McLaren Elva. 3, 2, 1. It is the McLaren Elva. So thank you for watching, and come back for week 9.